how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video, we will discuss about some extra deposition of material in cell wall. Okay. So let's see. Extra deposition of material in cell wall. Okay. So let's see. First one is there is only one, that is lignification. Okay. Okay. There is only one extra deposition of material in cell wall, that is lignification. Okay. It means lignification. It means deposition of lignin cell wall. Okay, it means deposition of lignin in cell wall, called as a term, that is lignification. Okay, that is lignification. Okay. Our next point is that is lignin, or we can also say coniferic alcohol is cellular derivatives derivative of carbohydrate. Okay, it means lignin is a cellular derivative of carbohydrate. Okay, we can also say coniferal alcohol. Okay, so lignin is a lignin is a cellular, we can say, derivative of carbohydrate. Okay. Next point is lignin deposition of lignin on cell wall of deposition of lignin on cell wall of sclerenchyma vessels and tracheids. Okay, it means the deposition of lignin on cell wall. Okay, in sclerenchyma vessels and also in tracheids. Okay, in previous video I have already shown you the figure of tracheid. Okay, and here lignin or coniferal alcohol is cellular derivative of carbohydrate, and second one is deposition of lignin on cell wall of sclerenchyma vessel and tracheids. Trachid, it means the deposition of lignin on cell wall is only like we can find in sclerenchyma vessels and tracheids. Okay, and next point is our that is the excess of lignin deposition decrease the economic importance of that is the excess of lignin deposition decrease the economic importance of pulp. Because lignin is a derivative of what? Cellular derivative of what? Carbohydrate. Okay, that's why if the excess lignin deposition can decrease the economic importance of pulp. Okay, and our last point is so if they decrease the economic importance of pulp, so how they work? So that's why here lignified cell wall contain pits. Okay, so that's why they contain pits to maintain their economic contain pits. Okay, now see what is pit. Pit are formed lignified cell wall. Okay, pit are only formed in lignified cell wall for their we can say to improve their economic importance of pulp. Okay, our next point is that is deposition of lignin occurs through the cell wall leaving some small hole on their wall area called pits. It means the deposition of lignin occurs through the cell wall, leaving some small hole on their wall area called pits. It means where the we can say the lignin deposition. We can say the if they deposition when the deposition of lignin, then the one or two, we can say more than one, there are small holes on their wall, so the area is called pits. Like you can see here, suppose that this one is a cell wall of a plant cell. Okay, now this one is a deposition of lignin that is outside the cell wall, and this one is the carbohydrate derivative. Okay, so that's why it is we can say it cannot pass, it cannot help to pass any other material from, we can say, from the cell. Okay, from the other cell, or you can say from the other cell. Okay, so how the material will pass from this cell to this cell. Okay, so there is a one thing is found, that is due to any kind of you can say decompose. Okay, like with any reason. Okay, so in that time suppose that this type of lignin, okay, suppose with any reason they decompose, so they formed a peat-like structure to pass the material from one cell to another, okay. Okay, like this, a small hole type structure they form, okay. This hole is like called pits, okay. So this one is called what? It's called pit, okay. So the pit are formed in lignified cell, okay. It only found where there is lignified wall, cell wall, okay. Okay, and the deposition of lignin occurs. That is the deposition of lignin occurs through the cell wall leaving small hole on their wall area called pits, okay. Now our next point is pits are generally formed in pair, okay. They generally form in pair, okay. Now on the cell wall of two adjacent yes, the pits are generally formed in pair on cell wall of and the next part is two pit of a pair pair of pits are separated with sorry to each. It means there are two pair of pit are separated to each, not they're supposed to we can say like this. Suppose that this one is the first pit and this one is the second pit. They are separated, not attached with each other, okay. And Now next point is that is other by the separated to each, and you write this like separated to each by the membrane called pit membrane. Okay, it means two pair of pits are separated. Okay, they were not attached to each other, they were separated due to pit membrane. Okay, so this is about the pit, and these membranes are completely permeable for all solute or solvent both. Okay, so this is all about the pit that is formed only in the lignified cell wall. That is, pit are formed in lignified cell wall due to deposition of lignin occurs through the cell wall, leaving some hole on their wall area called pits. Okay, that I have also explained in this figure. Now next thing is that the excess of lignin deposition decrease the economic importance of what? Pulp, just because the lignin doesn't helps to pass solvent or solute. Okay, so that's why there is a lignified cell wall contain pits to pass solute solvent, because pit membrane is permeable membrane for both solute and solvent. And next one is our that lignification. It means the deposition of lignin in cell wall. Okay, lignin or a contrail alcohol is cellular derivative of carbohydrate, and last and the next point is deposition of lignin on cell wall of only, we can say, the sclerenchyma vessels and tracheids. Okay, that's why you have also, I hope you know that sclerenchyma is a dead cell wall, because they found what? Because they have lignified cell wall. Okay, so these are all about the lignification, and due to lignification the cell wall form one more thing, that is called pit. Okay, so I hope you understand whole the video. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.